Preston, relax, relax. Relax, here's your cheese ball. No, 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 here's your cheese balls. Here's your cheese balls. Sit down. Your cheese balls. Okay, there you go. That's a good boy. Good boy, good boy. Come on, let's go.
Oh, shit!
Yo! Stop, you can smell him. Smell him. Mi perro.
Roll over.
Chill. Say hi. All right, everybody, be prepared for everything. Cheer. You already know. All right, we're meeting our boy Steven in Orlando. Yo! Qué rico, míralo, voy a comerlo. Yeah, we about to take our dog out for a walk, see how it goes, you know. Might run into a true mommy, I don't know. And then we'll see what happens. See what the public thinks of our dog. Steven, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I know you like him. Stop. You can smell him. Smell him. Smell him. Mi perro. Smell him. He's good. He's good. Mi perro. Sí. ¿Te gusta? Smell. Stay. Look what I can do. Sit. Toma. Okay, come on.
Claro que está el mundo.
Come on. You ready? Come on. Come on.
Street, there you go. Get streets.
Hey, sit. Come over here. Sit. Okay. Well, there, good boy. Come on, let me put the neck on you. Come on. Good boy. Come on, let's go. You gotta go to the bathroom. Come on. Ahí está. Come on, come over here. No. Preston, please. Preston, no. I think we need some new friends or something for you. Come on. Go ahead, go on. Preston! Relax. Here's your cheese ball. No. Here's your cheese balls. Sit down. Your cheese balls. Okay. You're good. You're okay. Yeah, you feed him one.
Okay, Preston.
There you go. That's a good boy. Good boy. Come on, let's go.
Let's go, Preston.
Yo, come on, dude. Come on. Yo, chill. He's just a guy, chill. Faster. I know you're tired. What you doing? Yo, no. Come back over here.
Did you see the table?
Oh, no, we're just asking for a cup of water for my dog. Hey, calm down. Come on, Preston, come on. Get down. Hey, somebody give me a cheese ball. Give me a cheese ball. Sit. Oh, good boy. Here, have another one. There you go. Come on. No, chill. Hey, chill. Say hi.
Man, bro, you got shit all in your mouth, bro. What the fuck, bro?
No, say hi. Oh, Preston, stop. It's not nice. That's not nice. Say nice. Say hi. Get down. Come on. Stop bugging people. Yes, the dog's here. Yeah, he's right next to me. You're the one that didn't want to come bring him. You're the one that didn't want to take care of him. This is supposed to be our dog, and you don't want to take him out, but I'm here at a fucking lake, and you don't want to take out the fucking dog. Preston has been with me for 24 hours!
Hey, bro. We're gonna take that stuff out of the park.
I'm with my dog, sir. Please. He hasn't came out. I need you to take care of him. Yes, sir. Excuse me. Yes.
You need to take that language out of the park, or I'm gonna call the police and have you trespass.
I'm having my dog out here. He wanted to break.
Keep playing games. We're gonna see.
Chupapi, chill.
Yeah, whatever.
Chill, Poppy, chill. Preston, come on. We gotta go. They don't want you here. Fuck's sake. Come on. Are you okay, sir?
Are you okay?
Yes, I am, actually.
Okay.
I'm just taking my dog out for a walk.
Whatever.
Okay. Thank you, sir. You look beautiful today. Preston, relax. Please relax. Get your ass over here. Stop bugging these people. Stop it, Preston. Sit.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. Who's a good boy? Lay down. Roll over.
Roll over.
Ah! Okay, come on, let's go.
They probably like, what the fuck?
Don't get mad. Hey, attack his ass, attack his ass. Hey, Preston, 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 relax, relax, relax. Do you like this one? Do you like this one? You like this one? Okay. What would you rate my dog scale of 1 to 10?
It's not the apple of my eye, it's the shamrock of my eye.
Come on, turn the corner. Keep on going that way. So, ven aquí. Yo, Preston, stop. Relax. Relax. He's a nice dog.
Oh, shit!
Oh my god!
Nothing happened.
I know nothing fucking happened.
I will pay you right now to go fuck with bro. I will pay you, please. Oh!
That was a hit and run that happened in front of us. Wow. There you go.
I'm over here. Did that just happen right now? Yo, did that just happen right now?
What, you stay standing up though. Come on.
I respect that. I'll take that. Chibola. Chibola.
Chibola. Chibola. Chibola.
Hey,
Chibola. Eso. La gringa le gusta la chibola. Chibola.
Go next to bro. Steven, where have you been
Chibola.
all this time?
Chibola.
Where have you been? Where have you been?
Chibola.
Where have you been? You been a bad boy. Get your ass over here. Stop. So was he bothering you?
I don't know what he was doing.
Is he bothering you?
No.
Come on. Get your ass over here. Get away from him. Come on, Steven. Steven, come on. Steven, come on. Hey, sit.
Chibola. Chibola. Chibola.
Happy birthday! Chupapi. Chupapi mañana! Look at my dog!
Wait, oh shit, look.
Hey, lover boy.
Dude, I told you 2 milks. 2 fucking milks, you couldn't do it? You couldn't do 2 fucking milks, dude? You couldn't do 2 fucking milks? Are you serious? You couldn't do 2 fucking milks? 2! Holy shit. Fucking 2, gordo! Carajo!
Fucking milks, bro.
Fucking 2 milks! Fuck, dude!